Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a static IP address for better security. So make sure you will be on your laptop and we will move in the search and I will just tap on it like Ethernet. So you will be just get in the system settings in Ethernet and here you will see this is the option, the change adapter options. I will just tap on it simply and you will be just select your Wi-Fi connection and you will just get in the properties right over here and you will be just selecting the 4 version, this one internet, and you will be just getting the properties. So here you will just tap on it, use the following IP address. So you will just put the manually your IP address, your subnet mask and default gateway. So you will just also prefer the DNS servers, alternate DNS servers. So when you just put all the manually add your IP addresses, so you just tap on it simply OK. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.